In last class, I discussed definition of a circle and how to find center, radius, if general form of equation of circle is given, and simple applications I discussed. In today's class, I'll discuss intercept made by a circle on x-axis and y-axis. What is intercept made by a circle on x-axis? So here, circle, what is intercept means? Length of PQ is the intercept made by the circle on x-axis. So this here, how to get information about this point of intersections? Yes, here is circle 2gx plus 2fy plus c, and the x-axis equation y equal to 0. Solving these two, I get information about these points. Put y0 here, you get to c equal to 0. So it has two roots. Sum of the roots is this. So intercept PQ here is x2 minus x1, which is root of x1 plus x2 whole square minus x1 plus x2 here is minus 4c. Root of 4 times this is intercept made by the circle on x-axis. Right. Similarly, intercept made by a circle on y-axis will be y-axis equation x equal to 0. Solving 1 and 3. Put x equal to 0 in this, you get y square plus 2fy plus 3, 0. So geometrically, what is y-intercept means? Circle intersect y-axis at two different points PQ. The length of PQ is intercept made by the circle. So let us assume at Q distance is y1 and this is y2. The difference will be, so here you have two roots, y1, y2 is y1 minus y2 whole square is 4y1 y2, which is minus 2f whole square minus c. 4 times y1 minus y2 is 2 under root f square minus c. This is the intercept made by the circle on y-axis. So finally, we got two formulas. Intercept made by the circle on x-axis is this. Intercept made by the circle on y-axis is this. Right, this is x-intercept. It is y-intercept. Next point here, condition for circle to touch x-axis. Condition for circle to touch x-axis. Here we have this circle which makes some intercept. When circle like this is still making some intercept. When it touches, it is not making any intercept. So when circle touches x-axis, then intercept is 0. We get G as similarly when it touches y-axis, its intercept f here is plus or minus 4. Now, if circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus k touches x-axis, then k value. So let us compare given equation with standard circle equation. 2f is, so when it touches x-axis, k value is 4. When it touches y-axis, here f is minus 3, k value is 9. If intercept made by the circle on x-axis is circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus k equal to 0 is 15. Intercept made by the circle on x-axis is 14. Then what is k? Intercept made by it is this. That intercept here is 14. 7 times g square minus c is 49. So g here is minus 2. C value is 4 minus 49. C in the sense k equal to minus 40. Intercept made by the circle x square plus minus 4x minus 8y minus 9 on y-axis. 2 root f here is 4, that is 2 into 5, which is 10. Next. Location of a point with respect to circle. Here, before discussing this, every time some expressions will come. Instead of writing every time, so let us denote this with yes. 1x is replaced by, where it is like gx plus gx, 1x is replaced by x1, 1y is replaced by y1. If both x's are replaced by x1s, then this kind of expression, one x is with x1, other x is with x2, similarly with y's. So this is S12. So these are notations here. A point x1, y1 lies inside, on and outside the circle according as S11 less than 0 and S11 greater than 0. The statement It is a circle S0 to center. Here is a point P. P is outside. CP will be more than radius. P is inside. Right. P inside. CP is less than radius. So this I can write CP square minus R square is less than. So if you take a standard circle equation, P here is CP will be x1 plus g whole square y1 plus f whole square. CP square is R square is CP square minus R square. On simplification, g square get cancelled. 2 2f(y1) plus, which is nothing but s1. So s11 greater than 0 implies point outside on the circle. P is inside the circle. So now I will give a circle equation and I'll give a point. Find location of a point where it is inside or outside. So from earlier derivation, what we have to find out S11, substitute 1, 23, 27, 20, greater than 0, which implies point lies outside the circle. He will ask sometimes number of tangents and circle. With respect to circle, point lies outside, two tangents can be drawn. Suppose, in some other case, the point lies on the circle, the number of tangents, only unique tangent can. Suppose point is inside, so any line through P becomes a right secant. It intersects. Tangent means touches. So in this case, number of tangents 0. Here, number of tangents 1. Here, number of tangents. So with respect to S11, locate the point and decide number of tangents.